Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 12th, 2022. We're going to talk about ICP today. Yeah, dfinity. We're going to talk about dfinity and see whether or not this cryptocurrency is undervalued, because if so, that means that we will be looking for the price to increase for ICP. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I mean, you guys see how clean this chart looks? This is what I do. I give you price predictions without the confusion. I don't place technical indicators on a chart because they're garbage. I don't talk about any fundamental analysis, any new protocols, any new inventions being released on the blockchain, none of that, because it is all noise. So if you guys want to learn more, or at best you guys want to stay in tune into where I'm looking for the price to go, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to this channel. We would definitely like you all joining the community, because this is what we do. All right, so real quick, let's try to figure out, why would I say that ICP or dfinity is still undervalued? I mean, take a look at this market, right? You guys can tell that over the last couple of trading days, we've seen something occur on the price chart. Now, if you've been a subscriber of this channel for a while, you already know that one of the first things we do when we look at price charts is we take a look at the volume. Volume is the lifeblood of every market. It tells us whether or not the market is being active or non-active. So you guys can see right now in dfinity or ICP that this market has been relatively active. Now, when you see high volume trading at low points, it lets you know that possibly the market is selling, but more than likely it resembles the market buying, because they see the prices a lot cheaper than where it once was. All right, so look at all this volume down here. I will say that the volume started back here January the 4th, right? That's when it started. And you guys can see that, yeah, we've been in a downtrend into the market in ICP. Look at this. Price has been coming down in ICP. So now with this increase in volume, that's one of the main reasons that tells me that this cryptocurrency could possibly be undervalued, because the volume is appearing. Somebody is coming to the market in ICP and trying to buy up this low price cryptocurrency because they're looking for the price to go somewhere. Now, look at this. We are also seeing a trend occur into the market in ICP. That is also a very good thing to take note of and to see. Now check this out. Am I telling you that we're going to see a massive breakout? No, I'm not. Because we got all of this noise right here. We got all of this trading information that the market in ICP will have to break before we actually see a breakout. Okay, so let's try to identify these restriction points. So let me switch this over to a different time frame first, so we can try to identify, okay, where can we see the market get rejected in ICP? Right here. This is a very strong area in the market in ICP. Okay, we really need to see the market break this. Yeah, we need to see the price in ICP break $38 to the upside before we really get comfortable and say that the price is anticipated to continue to go up. Right, we have to see that. And right now, as I zoom in on this 3-day price chart, you guys can see that we're not necessarily seeing that yet. Right, we're seeing the market get rejected instead of us breaking above $38. That's a problem. That's an issue. Yes, it is. I'm just letting you know that, right off the rip, that $38 price is impacting and is hindering ICP from going up. Okay, just like it did on this 3-day price bar. We're seeing the same thing. So now it kind of tells us that, yeah, the market's not ready to break out above $38 right now. That's the only thing it's really telling us. It's not ready yet, but it doesn't mean that it won't be ready in the next week or 2 weeks from now. See, this is why you have to be in position already to capitalize on what you're anticipating the market to do, right? So let's see this. It's on a 5-day. These last couple of 5-day price bars right here is letting us know that the market is definitely hitting some selling. right there around 38. We really need to see this price in ICP break above 38. If we don't, we're going to continue to go lower in price. It's just that simple. And we cannot deny it. We definitely can see the market in ICP trying to break it above $38. Right? Now, this is the hourly time frame, okay? And it kind of gives us a closer, in-depth look as to how strong or how weak the market is. And I'm looking at this on an 11-hour time frame, and I'm actually still seeing some strength here. Yeah, I'm still seeing the market in ICP trying to go up. Now, one of the areas that I'm going to tell you is the price target is 38, because I've already shown you from a chart perspective that, yeah, that's where the sellers are at. So before the market comes back down from $38, we might want to take our profitability right there and not be greedy. You become to realize that you don't come into the market and dictate what you expect it to do. You don't do that. You simply come through and get what it's offering and just be happy with that. Because we already know that this market is not created for the regular retail investor or trader. It's not. So you just need to come in, see opportunities, come in and grab it and move on and be happy. This is how you're able to sustain yourself in these markets. This is how you're able to keep your sanity. This is how you're able to maintain profitability. It's because you already come into the game knowing that you're only here to get what the market is offering. So check this out. I like the 11-hour time frame. I like the 15-hour time frame as well. I think the market here in ICP is relatively bullish as of this particular moment. So I think I'm going to play some strength here, right? Now, $38 is an area. That's about 8% movement to the upside in price. If we break $38, then this is going to be a very substantial movement to the upside, to which I'll be looking for price to come up here towards around 40. That's my second area. So we got $38 and $40 for us to see this market in ICP go up. Anything outside of that, right? Anything outside of $40, I would say would be up here towards 42, right? Now, I'm not going to put that 42 on there yet. I wanted to see $38 break first. Like, this is what I would like to see the market do, okay? We see this market in ICP trade. We come up here towards 38. We break outside of $38. Market weakness comes through, and we still see buyers come in and hold price above 38. And we continue to trek higher. That is the outcome I would like to see, but it may not happen, which is why I'm giving you two price targets, $38 and $40. Okay, so now let me hit this back over to the daily, and we're going to continue to let this market ride on in ICP. Okay, and this is it. I'm done. It wasn't hard, was it? Was it complicated in my speech? Was it complicated in what I've shown you? Like, you don't have to learn and understand how certain indicators work. You just simply pay attention to the price bars and the volume to see what the people are doing. So now it's your turn. Hit me up. I got the comment section open. Tell me your price target for ICP. Where do you guys think the price is going to be towards the ending of January, beginning of February? Do you think we're going to continue to go up, or do you think price is going to come down? Let us know real quick. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.